Hey, I hate to say this, but hayi gqibele nam ndiyavuma. I-EFF iyiyo i-cult. Ngathi wayenyanisile uFloyd. Mna ke andikho affiliated with any political party, but bendizayifaka bendizayivotela i-EFF. But when it comes to the issue of illegal immigrants, hayi bayilahlile. What qualifies the organization or any other form of organization uba mayibe yi-cult? It's when people cannot use their own common sense, right? It's when people just follow blindly what is said by the leaders without questioning, without reasoning. I'm telling you, uba uJulius Malema ngavuka ngomso sithi hey, i-march and march benyanisile babahambi foreigners, i-members EFF zingathetha loo nto zonke. It's such a very easy concept to understand the issue issue illegal immigrants okanye yele movement. It's so simple, but people bayayicomplicate. Since when igama elithi illegal lingeyo problem? I mean, the issue march and march, guys, is just simply saying illegal immigrants mazihambe. Illegal, not necessarily everyone, but aba illegal. But still, abantu seem to see that as African or South Africans being an enemy of Africans. This is law. Literally, it's law. Umthetho. Julius Malema is so obsessed with umthetho. He's been trying to sue abantu. But now when South Africans are simply saying umthetho mawugcinwe, all of a sudden it becomes a problem. Members of the EFF, guys, kanike nizama ukusebenzisa ingqondo, man. This is a march against abantu abangekho semthethweni who are breaking the law. That is crime. Eliwayo. You cannot go kwi-country ngokungekho semthethweni. Why is it so difficult for you guys to understand that? Can you see again the history and everything? Umthetho ngumthetho. Yo. Nikwi-cult. The mere fact that you guys cannot understand ukuthi march and march is against illegal immigrants, still you are finding ways yokuqala an enmity against Jacinta noPhakela Mthethwa simply because they have a problem with illegal immigrants. Angekhe nikwi-cult. uNansika ulo mama. Okay, maybe I must make a separate video on that one. But guys, come on, man. Why do you guys have to follow anything that your leader says? Can't you have your mind of your own? Can't you have brains of your own? When Julius Malema was talking against illegal immigrants, I said Zimbabweans must go home. They must go home and fight and fix their country. You agreed with him. None of you came up against Julius Malema nimbiza ngokuthi xenophobic. Now that change statement, they said all Africans and everything are our brothers, whether illegal or legal. You also agree with him. Something is really wrong. When Julius Malema was saying he is betrayed by his brothers, and he was even including uNansika, uDlozi, by the way, you guys were against uDlozi. When Julius Malema said if Dr. Dlozi can come back, I will welcome him with both my arms. Now you started celebrating uDlozi. All of a sudden uDlozi is a hero. Yo! Okay, now look, I'm not going to say politics. I can't get ukucinga ngokunokwam hayi khona hayi makuyekwe.